You're not going to believe what this floor plan has to offer you. Today, we're in Castle Hills at Northpointe with American Legend Homes touring their beautiful 1118 model home. And you can see right when you walk in, you get greeted by this really cool study, a work home office space. And as you peer past the stairs, you get a glimpse about what's to come. And this house has so many different things to offer that you don't normally see on first glance. So as we come in here and we look at this great room, we're going to take a peek at the owner's suite first. I mean, look at that wall of windows, all that light that comes in, and I love the curved wall in this bedroom. It just adds such a sense of elegance and sophistication to the room. You've got a nice open space here with the double doors that go onto your ensuite bath, and those light colored wood flooring just opens the space up. And this bathroom, separate shower, separate tub. I'd be curious to know what your thoughts are on the tile. And then we head into the walk-in closet, which is oversized. It's not the biggest that I've seen, but looks like it's big enough for two people. By the way, this is John Mays. I'm a real estate agent here in the DFW area, specializing in new construction homes. And for over 7 years, I've been connecting buyers and builders together. If you're thinking about building a new home, feel free to reach out. My contact information is in the description below. And then across from the owner's suite is a full-size laundry room, which, hey, I love that that's convenient right there. And I also like how they tucked the dryer vent into the wall so that you can get your dryer just a little bit closer. And here we are in the kitchen. Nice, big, open kitchen. I love the counters that they have sitting towards the back and over by where the Butlers Pantry is, like a great place to stage food and things when you have people over. And here we have our cooking area with a gas stove, which I love that this community has gas. We have a little breakfast area over here. I mean, look at all the windows, just huge windows. And then here we have our family room, floor to ceiling windows. I'd love to know your thoughts on that fireplace. Do you think they should have run the tile all the way to the top? I kind of think they should have. Definitely looked better. But overall, I mean, look at this view. Gorgeous wood floors throughout the whole house. Plenty of space. And then, of course, my favorite thing, here we are, the Butlers Pantry. So, like, if you have a dinner party or you have people over, this is a nice little area to set food, refreshments, glassware, just anything that your guests might need for the party without having to run all the way back to the kitchen. And here we are in our dining room. There's a really big table in here. It's funny, it looks small with that table, but if you think about how big that table is, that's a good sized dining room. And that seats 6 people comfortably. I bet you could do 8. And then here's the study that we passed when we walked in the house. I love that it's right in the front of the house. You can sit here and work, and you can see out your front window and see if someone's coming up to your house, and just kind of feel like that you're part of the day, even though you're in there working. And I like that they did the glass panel on the doors just to kind of open everything up. And then here, as we pass by the stairs, look at those stairs. I love how they've upgraded with the iron railings, with the stained wood. Just such a nice touch. And that curved area, I see so many possibilities for artwork and decorations to just make a statement in your home when people, walk in. And then as we head upstairs, we have a really nice game area that you could put a pool table in here. You could put a sofa love seat. And then right next to that, look at this home theater. It's already built in with the elevated seating so that everybody can get a good view of the TV. What are your thoughts on having a media room in your house? I like it, but I heard that some people are, that trend may be kind of wearing off. So I'd like to know what you think. But it does have a really nice media closet in here. You can put all your components and things and kind of hide them away. and just benefit from watching the movie and hearing the sound without having to see all the equipment. And then as we head back through into our game room, they have a pool table in here now with a little desk over on the side for studying, but it could be anything that you want. Foosball, skee ball, pinball, sofa love seat, just whatever you would want it to be. It's kind of like your flex area. And I like this little balcony over to the living room. The kids can shout over the balcony, "I need some more stuff to drink." That'd get tired really fast of that. But here we have a full-size bathroom and a really nice big first bedroom here. And I love that all the closets are walk-in closets. Just gives you just a whole lot of extra space to store things, and just where you can live in that room and not have to worry about your things all on top of you. But I like the vaulted ceiling in here. And what do you think about the color on the walls? That was kind of a bold choice for a model home, but it works. And as we head back through from that first bedroom, and we'll take a peek over this balcony here. "Hey, can we have more stuff to drink?" That's what I would hear all day long. "Can you bring some snacks up?" And then we go in here into the second bedroom. It's upstairs. You got that beautiful wall of windows, kind of like what you have downstairs in the owner's suite, but the windows don't go all the way to the floor. This bedroom's a little bit smaller than that first one, but it has a bathroom attached to it, and there's actually a closet on the... Hey there, you caught me, I'm in the mirror. There's a closet here in the bathroom. That's the walk-in closet for that room. So whoever gets this room kind of has everything to themselves. They don't have to go through a hallway to get to a bathroom. So I guess that would be the trade-off on the size. And then as we head back through to the game room, or was like they like to say game on, we're gonna head back downstairs. And I loved this curved staircase in the house. It's just, when you walk in and look at it, it's such a dramatic element. It really adds to the house. And once again, here's another niche where we have those mirrors on the wall that you could make another statement, or an art piece would look really cool. And here we have another full bathroom downstairs with another suite. So you've got 2 bedrooms downstairs, which is really hard to find these days. I've got a lot of clients that are asking for this, and this one has it. And as a matter of fact, if you needed an extra bedroom, that study that's in the front wouldn't be too hard to use as a bedroom either. So you could actually have 3 bedrooms downstairs if you really needed it. So this floor plan, that's one of the things I love about this floor plan, is just how flexible it is. But on into the backyard, I think that this has an oversized backyard, about what you would normally get in this neighborhood. But I love how they decorated it. I think the only thing missing is the pool. I would love to have a pool back here. But huge backyard space. And because it's on a corner, I guess you get even a little bit more space. It's good. And I like how they've done the walkway here with the space in between all the pavers. Really modern looking. And then as we head back from the patio, back into the great room again, like I said, there's just a feeling of grandeur in this home. When you are inside of it, just all the finishes are very nice, and the way it's decorated is very nice. It just feels very luxurious. And I'd love to know your thoughts on this home. By the way, this is John Mays. I'm a real estate agent here in the DFW area, specializing in new construction homes. And for over 7 years, I've been connecting buyers and builders together. If you're thinking about building a new home, feel free to reach out. My contact information is in the description below.